Hello students, in this video we are going to see domain name system. This topic is also from Unit 5. Telnet is one of the original remote logging protocol. It is abbreviated for Terminal Network. Although Telnet requires a logging name and password, it is vulnerable to hacking because it sends all data including the password in plain text. A hacker can eavesdrop, that is, he can sniff and obtain the logging name and password. Because of this security issue, the use of Telnet has diminished in favor of another protocol called as Shell, that is SSH, Secure Shell Protocol. The main advantage of using this Telnet is a simple plain text architecture of Telnet allows us to explain the issues and challenges related to the concept of remote logging, which is also used in SSH when it serves as a remote logging protocol. Second advantage of using Telnet is the network administrators often use Telnet for diagnostic and debugging purposes. As a user types at a terminal or at a workstation running a terminal emulator, the key stores are accepted by the terminal driver. The terminal driver passes the characters to the operating system. The operating system in turn interprets the combination of characters and invokes the desired application program or utility. I'm just explaining the details of this diagram present here, that is local logging diagram. Next, however, when a user wants to access an application program or utility located on a remote machine, it performs a remote logging. Here, the Telnet client and server programs come into use. The user sends a keystroke to the terminal driver where the local operating system accepts the characters but not interpret them. The characters are sent to the Telnet client, which transform the characters into the universal character set called as Network Virtual Terminal. We'll see that Network Virtual Terminal in the next slide. NVT or Network Virtual Terminal is an universal interface via the client Telnet translates the character that comes from the local terminal into NVT form and delivers them to the network. The server telnet, on the other hand, translates the data and commands from NVT form into the form acceptable by the remote computer. This network virtual terminal uses two sets of characters, one for data and one for control. Both of them are 8-bit bytes as shown in this figure. For data, NVT normally uses what is called as NVT ASCII format. This is an 8-bit character set in which the 7 lower bits are the same as the US ASCII format. To send control characters between computers, NVT uses 8-bit character set in which highest order bit is set to 1. Fine, we have come to the end of this topic. We will see the next topic in the next video. Thank you.